about the Nothing Stops This Train because I think that obviously they're going to need a print in order to.
That's a guy. I need to get a haircut. Oh, the one.
It was Iowa State. Body cam was wild. Actually, it looked like a scene from Weapons. Oh, here we go. Raw video. UI body cam shows France 2024 hazing incident. What are we out here for? Noise complaint or something? Oh no, that's a fire truck.
That's okay. Fire's here.
Alcohol poisoning? If it was alcohol poisoning, I feel like I don't think they would have got suited up. Okay, so probably not alcohol poisoning. Looking like fire, maybe. Oh wow. What?
Weird, man.
John Gotti was the most famous gangster since Al Capone.
His picture's on page one of newspapers. His name is all over TV. He's a headline figure.
This could be all his sweet. He murdered his way to become head of the most powerful crime family in America.
John Gotti took charge of what's called the Gambino crime family shortly after his reputed predecessor was gunned down.
Addicted to fame, he adored the attention of the world's media.
Dude, there's another saint.
And became America's most high-profile criminal.
He was Moby Dick in the organized crime world.
I was like, what's his name?
Today's video is spark. I think that.
Coming up on. Drive home a new Chevy for less at Faulkner Chevrolet in Bethlehem. Lease the affordable 2026 Trailblazer. Now only $346 a month. Take over $13,000 off new Equinox EVs. Or lease for just $449 a month at Faulkner. Find your new Chevy today at Faulkner Chevrolet in Bethlehem and online at FaulknerMotors.com.
For the best experience, choose Faulkner, to be sure.
Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Imagine yourself in nature. The sun is slipping behind the trees.